How to create a Bigo Live account. First, tap on Bigo Live app to open it. Wait for a second for it to load and you will land on the welcome screen. Now it will ask how you want to sign up. You have got options: sign in with phone, Facebook, Google, and more. Let's say you choose your phone number, enter your number, and tap next. Google send you a verification code. Pop up that code in and boom, you are in. Create a password and tap sign up. Pick a username, choose profile picture, tap done. Hit confirm and done. Select your age. Welcome to Bigo Live, Superstar. You can now watch live stream, go live yourself, and chat and make new friends globally. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more fun how to in just a minute. Catch you in next time.